I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a full face of Makeup Revolution. So if you want to see my thoughts on the products that I used today, what products I used today, you want to see the deeds, you want to see what I loved, what I hated, just keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and take the I Heart Revolution Fruity Pebbles Lip Oil. This one here is in Pebbles Lemon Lime. I think I picked this up from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and it's actually a really nice little lip oil. Ooh, super glossy. I have two brow products. We have the Awa Studio Slim Brow, just to kind of shape out the brows. We also have the SheGlam and Frida Kahlo little pen. This is called their Brow Icon Liquid Brow Pen in the shade dark brown, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and shape out the brows using the Awa Studio first. Taking the SheGlam products, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in any sparse areas using that. This is basically just a little like thin marker for the brows. It's so good. To be honest, I kind of want to start off with face products first, and then we can move on to eyes. I have the Revolution Pore Blur Primer, but I also did bring another one. Yeah, this one here, the Revolution and Simpson. So I did add a bunch of their Halloween collection. Girl, I love it. I always include it everywhere on my little reels on Instagram. I include them everywhere. But also a really nice primer. It's super hydrating. You can still find these types of products at TJ Maxx and Marshalls if you're looking for the Halloween collection. So we're gonna be using some of their other Halloween stuff, but I love this collection, the Simpsons, but also this primer is amazing as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and it basically looks like slime, and it's just a nice hydrating kind of moment. So I'm gonna take that all over the face. Oh, look at that, so nice, and feels so nice and cooling on the skin as well. Next, taking the Pore Blur Primer, I'm just going to take that on the inner portions of the face. And this one's very different. This one's more like a, almost like marshmallowy kind of moment. Super nice and thin, like super soft. So I'm just going to take that on like the inner portions of the face, just to give me that blurring effect. All right, next we have foundation. So I have the Revolution Super Serum Hyaluronic Acid Foundation. So this one is a tad light for me. I got the one in F8.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the Awa Studio Shade Adjusting Drops in this like orange shade. It's just meant to add some warmth to your foundation or concealer, whatever you use it for. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix them. It's a little like dropper foundation. You guys have seen this many times on Instagram. I also have used it here on YouTube as well. But I just like to swipe it on. You can also just use a little dropper. I'm sure there's like a better way to do this, but I'm gonna take some of the Shade Adjusting Drops and just apply it directly to the face. This looks wild, like something for like Halloween or something, right? But trust, it's gonna look good once it's blended out. Start mixing that up. So that is the foundation blended in. As you can see, it just looks so good. Because the shade is so light on me, girl, I just look like very ghostly after I applied it. But now, with that adjuster, we do have a couple of cream products as well. We have two of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wands. I have their contour and their highlight. We're going to use the Revolution Baby Tint. This is a lip and cheek tint, and I have used this before as well. This one here is in Fuchsia. Taking the e.l.f. Halo Wand. It's such a nice product. I use mine in the shade Medium Tan. Just tapping it in with my brush. I love cream products. I don't know what it is now all of a sudden that I just love applying like bronzer. I think maybe like cream bronzer the most. I just love how it like sculpts out the face. It looks so good. This one in particular is so inexpensive and I just love it. It's a favorite for me. All right, taking the Baby Tint, I'm just gonna apply it directly onto the face. I've officially transferred this into my Cream Blushes. It's like a very nice lightweight, almost gel-like product. It's really nice. It's not too intense. A nice one that you can like build up, but it does leave a little bit of a cute, you know, kiss of pink on the cheeks. How cute is that? Yes. Taking in the Halo Glow, I'm just going to apply that directly onto the high cheekbones here. Blending it in. This brush, this duo brush, is from Temu if you're interested. Super inexpensive, girl. This is so pretty. Next we have concealer. I have the Wet n Wild Incognito Concealer. We have the shade Medium Neutral. Love this concealer. I'm just going to do 3 little lines here. Look at how nice that blends in. Ooh. I'm also taking my SheGlam powder. You guys know, if you know, you've been here, you know what this is. An oldie but a goodie. And I'm just going to take that and set the T-zone area. I think I'm just going to, no, just the T-zone area with this powder. I do have one from Revolution that I really want to use for all over the face, but again, this is so good. Next, I'm taking the Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. So I don't think I mentioned this in the beginning of this video, but a lot of these products were sent to me from Revolution, like this powder, the mascara. We have some face products that were sent to me, some lip products. The foundation was sent to me a while back. So yeah, it's not sponsored, obviously. I don't get a lot of PR, girl, but you know, I want to show you guys how these work. So this one I've actually used on my Instagram before. So that's what we're going to use today. And the way that I used it there was I kind of like just tapped it onto my, just kind of like threw it on my brush like so. I'm just going to set the outer portions of the face using this powder. And this one's their Super Matte Fix No Flashback powder. I also do have the banana one as well. So again, I do have their face palette from the Revolution and Simpsons collection. I love it, girl. You cannot pry these products away from my hands. I love them so much. I love the Simpsons, and I love this little like drawing that is just stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Again, you can find some of these products at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. If you really look, they've been adding those as of a couple months ago. I haven't been to TJ Maxx and Marshalls, as I mentioned. I haven't really been doing finds as of lately. So yeah, and also stores have been quite dry in the makeup department, not only Dollar Tree but other stores also. But so that's why I think I kind of lost interest in makeup finds overall. But yeah, if you go, I'm sure they have it now that Halloween's coming up as well, or now that it's here. Not sure when this video is going to come up or when it's going up on my channel, but yeah, you should be able to find them somewhere online as well. I'm just going to take that powder. So nice. I love this bronzer shade for me. It's a little dark, but I love me a dark bronzer. So Revolution did send me this product. So it is a bronzer. This is a Bronzer Reloaded Long Weekend. The only thing with this is a little shimmery vibes, but I can take some, as I did on my Instagram. I did a bronzer and then I tapped this over top just to give me a little bit of that glow. So that's what I'm gonna do today as well. For blush, we have the Revolution Blusher Reloaded in Rose Kiss. This shade is so beautiful and it matches really well with that liquid blush that we chose earlier. Just gonna take that right on the cheeks. For highlight, we have this one. This is our highlighter Reloaded in the shade Just My Type. So beautiful. Directly on the face. Look at how beautiful that looks. So I just went ahead and kind of filled in the brows a little more, a little darker, brought them back to life, if you will. This has been my favorite brow set ever, and I use it every single day for work. This is the Bromination from Be Bella. Girl, if you want your brows not to move at all, you need this product. It's so good. I'm just gonna throw that right on the brows. You don't want to overdo it either. You don't want stiff looking eyebrows, but girl, this works so well and I'm so happy I purchased it. Over here, I'm just going to throw on some eyeliner. We have the Ioni eyeliner pencil in Mars Green. We also have the e.l.f. waterproof gel liner. So I'm going to throw some of this first. The Mars green will go right here in the inner portion of the eye. Alright, so I do also own the Revolution Treehouse of Horror palette, which we did find at Marshall's, I believe. This is so beautiful, I'm telling you, girl. Love this collection. You do get the picture of the colors on the back. You do get a really big mirror as well. And these are the shades that are in this palette. This is so beautiful. So I am going to do some like greeny kind of look today, so we are obviously going to keep with the greens. I'm going to take this shade here as a transition. We're going to deepen up with this green, so it's just a basic green look, but all these shades are so beautiful. We even have like a Hocus Crocus shimmer shade we might use on the lid, but I also do have this. I'm not sure if it's gonna go with everything, but this is from Shop Missy, and this is their Venetian Romance Creamy Eyeshadow in the shade Era. And this is like almost like a greeny antique kind of shade, but these do tend to crease on my eyes, so I don't know if I want to use this today. But it looks stunning on the eyes as well. So it's really nice and foiled. It's just if you overdo it, it's gonna crease. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a look. Again, I just told you guys what shades I'm gonna reach for, but again, there's the color story. It's so beautiful. All right, first taking that shade that I showed you guys, just tapping it before I start blending. And this is just a transition kind of moment. It is pretty powdery, but thankfully it's not going all over the face. Just using that again as a transition kind of moment. Next, taking the shade Broomstick, take that on the outer eye. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow, it's so pigmented as well. And then taking that first shade, I'm just using that to blend out the dark green. I'm going to take that same green shade, I'm going to throw it on the lower lash line. Alright, taking the AOA Studio shadow with my finger, I'm just going to throw it on the lid. Look at how stunning that looks. Ooh. So that's what I have going on. So next I'm going to take the Revolution Slick Flick eyeliner in black. And I also have the City Color Be Bold color liner. You guys know I always add this to my liner. It's just so nice. It's a nice pop of color. And this one here is just like a mint kind of shade. I'm not sure what the actual name of it is, but it looks so beautiful. So I'm going to throw some of that over top. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take mascara. I'm going to take the Revolution 5D Lash Pow Mascara. Another one that they sent my way. This is actually so good. I've been using it throughout the week and it's really nice. So it has like an interesting packaging. You have to like press and twist to open. Just taking some mascara, just a little bit because I am going to go in with falsies. But girl, this mascara, so nice. Throwing on some lashes from Beauty Creations. These are their 3D Mink lashes in Slay. Okay girl, these lashes. Ooh. I'm going to line the lips using my fave Evan New York lip liner in brown. Next we're taking this, which was also sent to me, Revolution Lip Balm Trio. This is their cinnamon vanilla scented trio with 3 different products in here. We get like a glitter situation, we get a matte, and then we have like a glossy moment. So I kind of want to do, should we do this one? Let's try the matte. Honestly, I don't think it's gonna go. I just grabbed one from my Shop My Stash. We have the Breakfast Club collection with Physicians Formula, and this one here is in the shade I Don't Like Mondays. It's just a nice like nude moment. Just something to ombre the lips out. Then taking their Pout Balm. So cute. I think these also come like sold separately as well. Ooh. Lastly, we have the Revolution Infinite Mattifying Setting Spray, and this one is supposed to make your makeup last up to 16 hours. Girl, let me know if you've tried this. Is that true? Let me know the deets, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face using this product. Smells so good. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I really enjoyed everything I used. Let me know what your favorite product was from today's video. Do you love Makeup Revolution? Let me know in the comments down below. What is your favorite Revolution product? Again, let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys on my next video. Also, if you want to see these products used even more on my channel and on Instagram or TikTok, wherever you're found, you can find me, and I have Reels, I have TikToks, I have everything on my Get Ready With Me for Work video. So I use all this makeup all all the time on there. So if you want to see what my favorites are, of course, check out my Instagram and all of that, which is always linked down below. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.